Hi there, my name is Mitch Haralambidis, and in this video we will have a short introduction on AP Statistics subtopic 6.2, which is dedicated on confidence intervals for population proportions. In this quick introduction, I want you to keep really good two things. That when given a population and when we care for a specific characteristic of this population, let's say we have all students of a school as my specific population, and I need to see how many of them, how many are wearing glasses. Now, for the size of my school that consists of around 600 students, it might be easy to estimate this proportion. So let's say that out of 600 students, I found that actually 210 of them wear glasses. This, if I use my calculator, it will create a proportion of 210 over 600, which is equal to 0.35. And remember that we use to notate the true population proportion with the P symbol. However, when we have to refer for the same characteristic, those who are wearing glasses, to a population of a whole town, my town, for instance, has close to 1 million citizens. In order to go and check one by one all the citizens of this town, it would take a lot of time and a lot of money. So this is something that we don't do. Instead, we will learn, and this is the key sim on 6.2, we will see how we can, under certain conditions, we can use samples, we can estimate the sample proportion of this characteristic, of this same characteristic, and through this sample proportion, we can give some estimations on where the true population proportion will be between. That be between will be referred to from now on as confidence interval, and it's really key for you, once again, to understand that all this could happen just by the sample proportion. So, assuming in a second example, and that would be our last one for this video, assuming that the population of the whole town is 1 million, the size of population is close to 1 million, I'm going to use a smaller sample. Let's say that I used a sample of size 150. Out of these 150 citizens, I found that 26 of them, 26 out of 150, which create a 0.7173, which is close to 17.3%, 17.3%, that is the sample proportion of this characteristic, which is symbolized by p hat. So remember, the key idea here would be to see how I can use this p hat, which is the sample proportion, to give estimations about the actual P, about the actual population proportion. Stay with me in this series of videos. There will be a lot. 6.2 is quite a fundamental one for the entire unit. Stay with me. If you want the full PDF with all theory in 6.2, you can always check the description below. As always, thank you for watching.